Hello, hope you're doing good. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Videoask, a powerful tool for creating interactive video experiences. Whether you're looking to engage customers, collect feedback, or generate leads, Videoask makes it simple and personal. I'll walk you through the basic step by step, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use it for your business or projects. To get started, once on videoask.com, you're going to tap on Start for Free. After selecting Start for Free, you'll be redirected to this page. And here you'll be able to input your name, email address, and create a password. Or you can scroll down and you can choose to sign up with any one of these platforms. Let's say, for example, I will fill in my name and I'm just going to be using this suggested password, better yet. Then you'll toggle on Agree. And after doing that, you can toggle this on also and you'll tap on Create My Account. After selecting Create My Account, you'll be redirected to a new page. And once you have verified your email, you'll be redirected to this page and you can choose your role, whether you're a student, a freelancer, or you are a team. So you can select whichever one of these options. So let's say, for example, I'll select I'm a freelancer. After doing that, you can choose the purpose that you like to use Videoask for, whether it is to conduct research, get feedback, audience engagement, or so on. There are numerous options that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, we want to use it to generate leads or sign up. So I'm going to select that. Then from there, you can choose whether you like to use it online search, through Typeform or recommendation, or someone else's Videoask. How did you get to know about Videoask? You can select whichever one of these options, or you could skip it. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, what I want you to do, you could tap on Create Your First Videoask. You have two options. You could either start with a template, so you could tap on Start with Template, and you can see different templates that you can choose from. So you'll be able to create a Videoask. Then from there, you'll be able to set up different workflows. And what do I mean by workflows? So you could create an introduction video, for example, say. Then once someone watches that introduction video, you could prompt them to complete an action. After they have completed that action, then from there, you could send them another video. So you could do that if you want. So you can create a workflow when it comes onto Videoask. So all you need to do, you can tap right here, you can select Event Welcome, or you can select whichever one of these options you want. And you can see the workflow right there, the suggested workflow. So you can see right there, the first video, second video, third and fourth video, as you can see right there. If you'd like to use this template, you could tap on Use this template. Keep in mind, it includes paid features. So what I would recommend you do, we're going to go back. And we're just going to tap on Create and we're going to tap on Start from Scratch. After doing that, you can give it a name. Then we'll tap on Create. Once you have tapped on Create, from here, you can tap on Webcam, or if you like to screen share, or if you have a video already that you have created and you'd like to upload the video, you could select Upload. So let's say we were to select Webcam. After you have selected Webcam, you can see to start your browser. To record video, your browser will need to request access to your camera and microphone. So we'll select Request Access. And then from there, I'll tap on Allow this time. After doing that, you can see right there, it is now up. So from here, all you need to do is tap on Record and you'll be able to record your video. So just give it a few seconds and you can start recording, as you can see right there. So for example, if it is something that you're selling someone, you could record the introduction video right here, whatever the purpose be. Then after you're finished, you'll tap on Stop. Then from there, you could play it. If you like it, you can select yes, if not, no. After doing that, you can also add a text overlay. Then you'll tap on Next. Once you have done that, you can see that it is being uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, from here, you will be able to set up your workflow. So for example's sake, you could tap on Logic. After tapping on Logic, at the moment, you can see that it will lead them directly to an end screen. But if you would like to add an action in between that, you can do that by tapping on the plus right here. From here, you could add an action. So for example, I'll tap on next. So you can see right there, and we could select go to editor. After selecting go to editor, from here, you could tap on add next step, and you can choose to either record another video, or you can choose to screen share, or you could choose to upload. So you can select what you would like to upload next after they have watched this video. So you can select what is the action you'd like them to do. And you could also add an action before this. So you could add a new step right there if you want. Then you can tap on the end screen. And the end screen would be the final result, the page that you'd like to lead them to. For example, the sales page or so on, or the product. So this is where you'll be able to add your end screen. So you could tap on try Videoask for free. You can see that that is the end screen at the moment. So you can tap on that, and it would carry us back to this page. But that is the end screen example. So let me go back. So I'll tap on dashboard, and I'll just select it right here. And you can see the video right there. And again, we're going to tap right here on build. And again, as I said earlier, this would be the end screen. But unfortunately, to set up the end screen, you will need to be on an upgraded paid plan. So we can preview how it looks. If we were to tap on preview, and I select preview mode. So this is the message that they'll see. After they have played this message, then they'll be prompted to do something else, depending on how you set it up. To share it, you can tap on share right here. You can choose to send it via email. You can choose to embed it in a website. You can also choose to share it on social media. So all you need to do is select the option, then tap on copy, and from there you'll be able to share it. But to get the full benefit when it comes onto Videoask, you'll need to go onto their paid plan. But this is a good alternative to email marketing, as this is a bit more personal, a bit more one-on-one, since they'll be able to see your face and get information from you and so on. So it adds more of a personal touch. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And if you're planning to use Videoask, you can let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.